Hi, this is Ashim Dara. I'm on the faculty in the Department of Biological and Environmental Engineering at Cornell University in Ithaca, New York. I want to share with you some tools, in particular one tool that we have developed for using simulation to enhance education. This particular module is one among a group of modules that we have developed as active learning tools to engage and motivate students. They explore more complex, real-world, and interdisciplinary problem-solving situations, and they do this while enhancing existing course content without adding new content. And the student in this case is simulation user, not a simulation developer. So the student does not need any formal background in simulation. The module I'm talking about can be used to enhance a lecture or a laboratory. In a lecture, it can bring in active learning, and in the lecture, it can also enhance by bringing in more real-world problem. In a laboratory, it can extend it to more situations, more possibilities than can be physically possible. This module covers thermal processing, and in particular, it applies to canning. Now, canning is interdisciplinary. It involves microbiology and heat transfer. What we do in this simulation is combine the two, microbiology and heat transfer, in a realistic way through numerical modeling. Together with the simulation module, there are several other components. It provides sufficient background, for example, and then it has learning outcomes, and it has pre and post assessment survey and quizzes throughout. We take a case study approach in trying to relate it to a very real world situation. So the simulation does not need any special software. It can run on any Windows machine with internet connection, and the simulation has a very simple interface to allow the student to manipulate the same variables that you might be talking about in the laboratory or in the lecture. So it is meant to be consistent with what is being taught otherwise in the course. And as I said, background material is provided as needed. So all of this is implemented in a learning management software where things are automated and it automatically grades the quizzes and so on. Not only that, the learning management software keeps the structure of the content, and it goes through in a certain order, and information that is provided by the students and so on is FERPA protected. So only the instructor gets to see the information. From providing instructions to the students, grading their quizzes, all of it has been automated. So there is really minimal work for the instructor. Instructor really does not need to get involved in it in any significant way. For a food science curriculum, this module can be used in like a food processing course or a food engineering course. For an engineering curriculum, this module can be used in a heat and mass transfer course or in a food engineering course. Now, we have tried this out in 9 different universities or courses at 9 different universities, and we have had favorable comments from both instructor and students. So here you see some student comments, and the important part is that the student likes this visualization of the process and likes the part that he or she has the control over it. And the student likes the fact that they can easily play around with the variables or the different parameters of the process. And the fact that they can do all of these at their own pace. This is very much liked by the students. So to complete then, the website shown here has all the information, and I can also be reached directly. You can email me if you need more information. Thank you.